So here's my dishwasher. That's the basket for the fruits. This here gives you all the stuff that you need. I like the fact that it tells you how long, and then it will actually keep telling you as you go. So I've already put pots and pans in here. Well, not a pan, but a couple pots. Pressure cooker pot. What else? A rice maker pot. And some dishes. I like it so far. This is where you put your water in. Pretty simple like. It actually alerts you when it's full. I like it so far. And here's my pitcher, which is perfect. It's right in there. So instead of putting it on the kitchen counter, because I didn't want it to take up space, because it was a little too tall for my cabinets in between. So I ended up putting a bucket, which actually worked fine. I don't even fill up the whole bucket. It fills up partially way. You dump it outside and keep it going. So yeah, pretty cool. And this here goes down. This is for your cups, whatnot. Slides right on in. And you close it. Put it back up. And as you guys probably seen before, you can take this and wash it. Easy to put back in.
Seems like everything's sparkling. The glass is definitely dry. Really sparkly. Got my filter clean for my coffee. And all my silverware looks really nice and clean. I don't feel any film on it. All's good. Coffee cup, nice and clean. Spatulas, nice and clean. My glass top, nice and clean. My plate. The only thing it did not get clean, but I put it up on the rack, was my barbecue sauce on the one side. So I'll have to scrub that.
Takes about 3 of these, about 2 and then a half of this one. This is what I use for it. Just a little bit does it. But it works great. I like it. And then when it empties, I have it empty.